Hello everyone, today we're gonna solve another LeetCode problem. Today we have the problem number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. It's a medium problem, and here we are given a string. We need to find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Here is some examples, constraints. As you can see, this problem pretty popular among all companies. Okay, let's take a look closer to our examples. Here we have example number 1, ABC, ABC, BB. The answer is ABC because it's a length of 3. Here just single element because all they all the same. P W W K E W W K E. This one. Okay. I think we can just go from left to right using sliding window and here we have we can go from left to right, calculating and finding during our moving the maximum substring. Like we start ABC, we need probably some array or map where we will store our index of last character that we found. For example, A0, B1, C2. Then we found again A, and we need to move to the next element of the previous found A. When it was 0. Now it will be we need to move our left pointer to the first, and each moving we will calculate maximum value, maximum length. Here it will be 3. Then we found again A, we move to this one. It's again 3, so we don't change it because it's the same. Then we move to B, again we move to this one, then to this one, then we found again B, we left only CB, and then just B. And it will be with time complexity O of n, and with space complexity, if it will be a map, probably it will be some I think it will be constant because we have only English based on this constraint. We have only letters, digits, symbols, and spaces, so it's around 128 based on ASCII tables, so it's constant. And here you need to create a hash map where we're gonna store character. and integer as value. Then we need some max. This integer value. Our right pointer, our left pointer. Then if map contains key with our element at right pointer, we move left to index, or we check, maybe at this point left is farther than our index that we stored before. After this, we have to check our max. And we need to check max and the length of our window. It will be right minus right plus 1. Then we need to put our index plus 1. And after all of this, just return max. Okay, some compilation errors. Yep. This passed successfully, but this one, no. Okay, probably we need to have here just 0. Yep. Okay, this time I wanna check what can our editorial suggest about solution. So we have brute force. Now just move into loops, check repetition, where we get each character and check all right to it. But in this case, time complexity is n to the power of 3, and space complexity is also minimal of n and m. Slide window, second approach. It looks pretty similar how I did it. Here's a bit different scene because they are moving in another loop. And removing. Okay. Here we have all of them. The same time space complexity as with brute force. Then sliding window optimized. Okay, this looks like I did definitely. I did a mistake when I said that space complexity is constant because it's minimum of m and n. Okay, maybe it's strange. And here is even better solution with space complexity, just O of M, where M is the size of Charles set. But it looks like it's constant because they use constant value. So we can use Char's integer array instead of map. And store here just right pointer. Okay, maybe someone did it better. Okay, here we can also use a set. Map, integer array. It wasn't too hard. Thank you for joining.